Hey guys, Lock Hacker here. Today I have Master Lock number 1 padlock, and I'm gonna see how much it takes to get one of these open. So, let's get started. Alright, tension wrench. Go bottom of the keyway. Let's start out with that. And let's see. I'll use my rake. See how easy this one is. Oh, okay. Oh, there you go. I actually was not expecting that. I thought that, totally honest, I thought that would take a little longer. Alright, well. Shoot, let's try it again. Maybe we got lucky. Stick in there. Wiggle it around. Yep, there it is. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? Since the raking seemed to be pretty effective, I'm gonna see how quickly I can rake in. See how many times I can get it open in 3 minutes. Okay. Let's try that. I'll start it right. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I got 3 minutes. It is locked already, by the way. There's 1. 2. 3. No, that maybe doesn't count, but 4. Let's not count that. 4. 5. I guess I won't count that one either. I'll try it. I'll take the rake out every time so you guys know this is for real. There's 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. Yep. Guess I'm not gonna get that 50. Oh, well. Okay, 15. So I think that was a little over 3 minutes. 15 times, maybe 16 or 17, depending on how you want to judge that. But there you go. So, is this the lock for you guys, huh?
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, let me know. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys.